Hello and welcome to English with Al. Have you ever tried to explain Ramadan to someone, but you didn't have the words? I'm here today to teach you some vocabulary that you need to talk about Ramadan. Let's start with the verbs. Fast. When you fast, you don't eat or drink for a period of time. For example, Muslims fast during Ramadan. Pray. It simply means to speak to God. Muslims pray 5 times a day. Abstain. When you abstain from something, you don't do it. Fasting includes abstaining from smoking and sex. Now let's move on to the nouns. Dawn and dusk. Muslims fast in Ramadan from dawn until dusk. Dawn means sunrise, and dusk means sunset. It's interesting to know that they often eat a pre-dawn meal and they break their fast with a meal called iftar. As you can see, the word fast can be used as a noun and it collocates with the verb break. And last but not least, adjectives. As I said earlier, fasting includes abstaining from eating and drinking. Of course, you will feel very hungry and thirsty when you don't eat or drink. Now, instead of teaching you the synonyms of hungry and thirsty, I've decided to invite you to a challenge. Write as many synonyms as you know for hungry and thirsty in the comments below. Good luck and happy Ramadan!